Okay, reception. So we are going to do our speed sounds. So are you ready with me? K, k, k. Up and down the king's back, round his tummy, kick out for his leg. Up and down the robot's back, curl over his arm. Up and all around the orange flick. Up and down Maisie, over the mountain. I love this one. Up and round his bottom, up his sole neck and down to his feet. Let's draw it. Up and curl around the caterpillar. You ready? Up and slither down the snake. Up and down the horse's neck to the hooves and over his back. Up and down the umbrella, up the umbrella and draw a puddle. Good. Are you ready? Up and around her face, down her hair, give the girl a curl. Are you ready? Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Up and down the tower, around the tower, across the tower. Oh. You ready? Up and down the long leg. It's a hard one. Are you ready? Up and down the flower to the roots, across for the leaves. Up and down Nobby and over his neck. Up and down the laces to the heel and round the toe. Up and down the pirate's plait, up and around the pirate's face. Up and down the insect's body, a dot for his head. Up and around the apple and down the leaf.
The name is W and the sound is W. The name is W and the sound is W.
Okay, sound of the day today is W. Okay, now sometimes it's a bit hard to say this one. When we're sounding it out, we kind of say W, but we try not to say the at the end and we just say W. Okay, W. So, this has got a nice fun rhyme. It's all about a worm. Are you ready to see? It says, up and wiggle down, wiggle up, wiggle down, wiggle up and flick. Shall we practice writing it? So, W. Okay, have you got a pen and a paper ready? And you can have a go at writing it with me. So, we're going to go up and wiggle down, wiggle up, wiggle down, wiggle up and flick. W. Okay, W. Should we practice again? Off we go. Up and wiggle down, wiggle up, wiggle down, wiggle up and flick. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I found the W hunt a little bit hard. I had a little look in my kitchen and I couldn't find that many things, so I had to go around my living room, all sorts of places. But I have found some things. So the one that I've been working on is a whiteboard. Should we say it together? Whiteboard. 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 So the first sound in whiteboard is w. Now, it got a bit tricky. So I was in my kitchen and I found water. Water. Can you say it? Water. 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 So the first sound in water is w. Wiggle down, wiggle up, wiggle down, wiggle up. So then I had to go into my lounge and I found some wool. Should you say it? Wool. 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 And this one. I know before you tell me it's a bird, but I found that it's got a wing. Shall we say it? Wing. Wing. Now, guys, we're going to write the word wing. So shall we get our paper and our pens or our boards and pens ready so that we can write wing. Now, what do we have to do first? We've got to stretch it. Are you ready? Off we go. Wing. And again. Wing. Okay, I heard quite a few sounds there. I didn't just hear, I think I heard more than 3. So I'm not going to let it trick me. Okay, so what's the first sound in wing? We've already decided that it's got to be w. Okay, so you're going to do up and wiggle down, wiggle up, wiggle down, wiggle up and flick. W. Okay, now wing. W. Let's get our thread fingers out. W. Yeah, eh. So, something about an insect. So we go up and down the insect's body. A dot for his head. W, eh. Okay, what's the next sound? Wing. Wing. W, eh. Okay, so we're going to go up and down Nobby and over his net. W, eh, And the last sound is g, wing. Okay, so I've got to go, what's this? How do I write g, g, g? We'll give the girl a curl. So I'm going to go up and round her face, down her hair, give the girl a curl. Super. So I've written the word wing. Do you think you could write the word wing? Now, don't let it trick you because it has got more sounds than we've been doing before. Wing. It's got 2 sounds at the end. Don't let it trick you. So, I was wondering if you could go on a w sound hunt. Maybe you could go around your house and see what you can find. Now, you might still have some Halloween things around that might have the w for witch. Or maybe you will find some wiggly worms. I don't know. See if you can find something different and something that I've not mentioned in your house. Okay. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing all the things that you found beginning with the w sound. Okay, bye.